Welcome friends. So in today's video we will talk about the things you should be doing daily. Or I rather say you must do daily. The things that will improve your life and help you to achieve the success you want in your life. To start with, the first thing is exercise. Do exercise daily. It will make you a good person, a healthy person, because a healthy body and a healthy mind helps you to reach the destination where you want to achieve in your life. This is a very good quote. It says that you are not old and you cannot do the exercise. It is because you do not do the exercise you are old. See these beautiful lines. It will help you to pump your heart. It will make a healthy person because a healthy person grows more fast as compared to the unhealthy person. It improves your blood circulation, increase your, you can say, mental stability, improves your BP. It helps. It helps. The second thing is reading a book. You should read a book at least 15 to 30 minutes daily. And this is the habit more than any person. You can say it's a billionaire's habit. You can say you can read any one famous person, any biography or autobiography of any billionaire or something. The one thing, the common between all those things is they are active readers. They are avid readers. They read every day, might be 15, 30, maybe 1, 2 hours. It depends upon how much time you can get to read those things. But at least read something for 15 to 30 minutes daily that can improve your life and your knowledge towards the things that you're seeing in this world. The third thing that is very important you should daily is meditation. See, in today's world where there is a lot of stress out there, a lot of pollution everywhere, meditation is the thing that can help to relieve those things. It can help to make you more productive and much more focus on the things. It will help you to raise your bar above the things. It will help you to release the stress from your body, from every part of your body. It will make you a much more stronger from inside. It will make you much more calmer, lighter than before. If you do a meditation daily, you will see that you feel light and healthy, bright. Laziness will be removed from your life. You will see things. But a lot of people don't do this. They think it is not necessary. It is not a part of it. But it is a very important part of your daily routine. Meditation is a must for every guy in this planet in today's world. So the fourth thing that you should do, or you rather say you must do, is do your thing which you love apart from the thing that you are doing. Maybe you are doing job but you want to do something. You can start doing something on daily basis that you love. Maybe like your side hustle. You are doing a job but you want to write a book. Apart from your daily work, come up with some time, maybe half an hour for your work that you love. You want to be a singer but you are not able to drop your job. Practice day night, anytime. You want to start a business, no problem. Put aside 1 or 2 hours from your day and work on that. The fifth thing that you must do is at least eat an healthy food. Now, healthy food, it doesn't mean that you stop eating the other and you always say healthy, healthy, healthy. It's not in your hands. Sometimes you have to go outside. Maybe you're going in some your friend's house, your relative's house, and in that case, it is not in your hand. But whenever, whenever you got, whenever you the things, the situation in your hand, please eat a healthy food. I rather say use multivitamins in today's world because it's lot more pressure and air pollution. So it's the food cannot provide you all the nutrients that you want, the body want, and that is why you see a lot of people are diseased right now. Lot of diseases are there, and they are falling sick. Their immunity is not strong. So friends, if you follow these five things in your daily life, you will see a lot more improvement, a lot of things that are coming around in your life. So once again, in the conclusion, I will include all the five things. The first thing, do exercise daily. The second, read a book. Third, do meditation. Fourth, work on your side hustle that you love to do apart from the other things that you are doing daily. Last but not least, eat healthy food. So friends, if you gain some knowledge from this video, please share and like this video. Share with your friends and family members who want to improve their life, do want something in their life. And also subscribe to my channel. We will meet tomorrow once again. Till then, goodbye.